This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up a grid in Figma. First, select the frame or artboard where you want to apply the grid. Look for the Layout Grid section in the right-hand Design panel. Click the small plus icon to instantly add a default grid to your selected element. This initial grid provides a foundational structure for your design, helping you maintain visual consistency and alignment from the very beginning of your project. Once your default grid is active, click the grid icon next to Layout Grid to open its settings panel. Here, you can change the grid type from a standard square grid to columns or rows to better suit your layout needs. Adjust parameters like the number of columns or rows, the margin around the edges, and the gutter space between them. These adjustments give you precise control over your design structure. Columns are excellent for dividing your frame into vertical sections, ensuring consistent content alignment across your design. Rows, on the other hand, provide horizontal divisions, which are incredibly useful for establishing a clear vertical rhythm. When using columns, you can choose between fixed, stretch, or center types, each offering different behaviors for how your columns adapt to the frame size. Understanding these options is key. For more intricate designs, Figma allows you to add multiple layout grids to a single frame, combining columns, rows, and square grids. You can quickly toggle the visibility of any grid using the small eye icon next to its entry in the Layout Grid section. Furthermore, save your frequently used grid configurations as styles. This ensures consistent application across all your projects, saving you valuable time and maintaining design integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.